Already have an account and want to jump back in? Here's how to sign in to your Manus AI account quickly. First, open the Manus AI app and tap Sign In. Here, enter your email address and password, then tap Login. If you enable two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter a code from your email or authenticator app. Once verified, you will land right on the home dashboard. Ready to start using AI tools? If you forgot your password, just tap Forgot Password to reset it via email. How's your experience with Manus AI so far? Share your favorite feature in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.